Hi, in last video we have seen how we can print the nested list element in the matrix format, and in this video we are going to see how we can write a program to print the square of the list element up to 10. So basically what we have to do, we have to print the list up to 10 which is in square of the items up to 10. So let's see how we can do. And one more thing here, I'm going to use the concept of the list comprehension. So comprehension is nothing but the one way of the writing a program. Like without list comprehension also you can write the same, you can write the solution for this particular problem statement. But list comprehension is the most efficient way. So because of that only I want to show you how we can write this particular problem with the help of the list comprehension. So let's see what is the syntax. So for that, first we have to take any list variable. So you can take any one. For example, I'm taking list only. Here in place of list, you can take anything. Then I'm taking square bracket. Then let me tell you how we have to do. So basically what I need to do, I need to print the square of the list element up to 10. So 0 to 10, whatever number is there, I want to print the square of that number. So how we can do, for each element in the range. As I told you, if we don't have any predefined input and we have such type of statement, so we can generate the sequence of number with the help of the range function. So the same thing I'm doing here for each element in the range. So what is the range? I want to give the range from 0 to 10. So 10, so because of that only I have to give an 11, because we know it is not going to be considered last one, it will going to be considered last minus 1, which is in my case 11. So 11 minus 1 is 10 only. So I want to print up to 10, because of that only I have given 0 to 11. So for each element in the range 0 to 11, what I want to do, so see, this is the normal for loop, like for each element in the range 0 to 11. So this is my one statement. And what I want to do, so whatever I want to print, that things I need to write before for loop 4. So I want to multiply that x by r. So x into x only. And x is nothing but the number which is present in this range. And at last what I want to do, I want to print that list. That's it. Let me run. See, 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. These all are the printing in square, because square of 0, 0 only, square of 1, 1 only, square of 2, 4, then square of 3, 9. Like that, it's printing up to 10. So this is how you can write a program to print the square of the list element up to 10. We can add one more condition, like see, this is a general statement, like a write a program to print the square of the list element up to 10. Might be interviewer add one more condition, like write a program to print the even square of even list element up to 10. So previously what we are doing, we are going to print the square for all the numbers which is present in between 0 to 10. But in this case, might be interviewer added one more condition, like print the square of even list element. It means if the number is even, then only print the square of that particular number. So let me show you. The entire things is going to be same only, but in the list comprehension, if you want to add any control statement, so we have to write that statement after the for loop. So what we can do, if that number mod 2 equals to 0, means if any number mod 2 equals to 0, it means it's a even only. After that only we have to print the that particular list. So let me run. See, it is going to be print only for the even square number. see 0, 4, 16, 36, 64, 100. So let me tell you again, list comprehension is the one of the way of writing the problem or writing the code. And the basically you can in the interview you can say in the list comprehension we can generate the sequence of the new we can generate the new sequence by using the old sequence or existing sequence provided by the Python or a user, like that you can say. So basically how we have to write, so first we have to write this for loop. After that, if there is any condition, then we have to write that condition after the for loop, and whatever we want to print, that things we have to write here before for loop. So keep in mind, if you want to add any condition, then write after for loop, and if you want to print anything, then write before for loop. Like that you can keep in mind. So here only we have solved, we have written we have written program for two different problem statement. First was write a program to print the square of list element up to 10. Then second, here only we have seen how we can print the square of only even element. So I hope you are getting this problem. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.